In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change account name on Notion. If you want to update the name that appears on your Notion account, the good news is that the process is very quick and straightforward. You can do it in just a few clicks once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to go so you can make the change smoothly. First, go to your Notion page and make sure you're logged into the correct account. It's always a good idea to confirm you're in the right workspace before changing any account details, especially if you use multiple Notion spaces for personal work, school, or business. Once you're on your Notion page, look to the top left corner of the screen. There, you'll see your space listed. Click on your space name to open the workspace menu. This area gives you access to settings and other account-related options, so it's the starting point for making profile changes like this one. After that, click on Settings. This will open the Settings panel, where Notion keeps your account preferences, workspace options, and profile details. If you've never explored this section before, don't worry. It's laid out in a pretty simple way. In the Settings area, focus on the left-hand column. At the very top of that column, you'll see your account name. Click on it. This section is where your personal account information is stored, including the name that displays on your profile. Now find the preferred name field. Click into that field and type in your new account name. Take a moment to make sure it's spelled exactly the way you want it to appear. This is the name that may be shown across your Notion account, so it's worth double checking before moving on. Once you've entered the new name, Notion typically updates the change right there from the field you edited. If you do see any save or confirmation behavior on your screen, just allow it to complete before leaving the page. A helpful tip here is to pause for a second after typing, just to make sure the update registers properly. And that's it. You've successfully changed your account name on Notion. As you can see, the process is simple once you know the path. Open your Notion page, go to your space, open Settings, select your account name, and update the preferred name field. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your Notion account quickly and easily.